Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got NOKIA G22 and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So all we have to do is to basically unroll the upper options, like just by using this more icon in the left upper corner, and here we have to enter the settings. Right now we can scroll down to the very bottom and tap on reset settings. Confirm it with OK, and as you can see we just got back to the camera. We've been automatically transferred to it, and as you can see or actually cannot see the grid lines, so they've disappeared, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to reset camera preferences in your NOKIA G22. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.